Hello friends, so today we have to start with class 9 the NCERT English Beehive and of the third unit poem, that is the Rain on the Roof. Rain on the Roof. So the first paragraph is, when the humid shadows hover over all the starry spheres and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in the rainy tears. What a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. So here the poet is happy to not in this paragraph he is not happy, but by his nature he is happy, and whenever the rain came he is always doing some and some act. So now how he knew that the rain is coming? When he looked in the sky, there are clouds moving in the sky, and starry sphere means sphere is that world, but here the sphere means the sky. So world is in round shape, and thus it is representing that the sky is also in a sphere shape. And starry means जैसे तारे पूरे स्काई में फैले हो, तो तारों से पूरा बिछा हुआ आकाश, तो वो है. एंड द मेलांकोली डार्कनेस, कि इतना अंधेरा होता है और बादल इतने आ जाते तो अंधेरा ही होता है, तो इसलिए ये वो खुश हो रहा है कि अब रेन आएंगे. तो अब रेनी टीयर्स इसलिए यूज़ हुआ है क्योंकि बादलों में से पानी गिरता है, तो वो पोएट कह रहे हैं कि बादल रो रहे हैं, तो इसलिए बारिश आती है. तो फिर so by seeing this he is very happy, and whenever the rain came he used to lie on the bed, and whenever he hears the sound or the patter of the rainfall, that is tip tip tip, then he by the happiness he pressed the pillow under his head, and he take out that pillow and then press that, and his bed is of cottage chamber. So, and then when the patter of the rainfall is heard on his roof, and thus he is very happy to say that rain is coming. So in the second paragraph, every tinkle of the shingles has an echo in his heart, and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being start, and 1,000 recollection weave their air heads into woof, as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. In this, every tinkle of the shingle means every drop of the rain. Shingles is the roof, a type of roof, or if this is the cemented house, so the iron rods kept on the roof. So the pattering sound when reached to the ears of the poet, so he got an echo in his heart. The आवाज़ गूंजती है एक एक ड्रॉप की. Then thousands of dreamy fancies. Then he is very happy, and he is just confused, and he not confused, he gets lost in the dreams of rainfalls, and the like hearing the properly concentration के साथ he is hearing the drop of rain and everything. Then as I listen to the patter up on the rain upon the roof, वही है कि when he listens the sound or the droplets of the rain when they are falls on the roof, the rainfall falls on the roof. So now the third paragraph, now in memory comes my mother as she used in years ago to regard the darling dreamers ere she left them till the dawn. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I listen to this refrain, which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. So here he is now. In the first two paragraphs he was very happy, but now the third paragraph is a little bit of soreness, because here his mother was died, and the first two lines recommend or not recommend shows that his mother is now not there, and he is in the memory of his mother, and like she was used in his years ago, and all the dreams all the dreams that came to the poet was of his mother's only, like sometime his mother is coming in his dreams. So all this there, so thus he has used the word darling dreamers. Ere she left them till the dawn, oh I feel her fond look on me as I list to this refrain, which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. Now he is like very feeling very fond look on me, and he is feeling very sorrow, because he is very sorrow in the sense वो बहुत उदास है कि हाँ sorrow that he can't see his mother and वगैरह. His mother had died in the dawn itself. Dawn is a time when there is when the day is there, just day has started, so which played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. So now our this poem is finished. So by the and it was written by the Quarter Skinny. So bye, like, share and comment this video.